Next Friday, June 12th, marks the official switch to digital TV. So many of you won't be able to use the TVs that you own and may opt to get new ones. Well, that means there's lots of TVs heading to the landfill. But they don't have to. Joining me today with another idea of disposal and much more earth-friendly, Guy Wolfenbarger from Ohio eWaste. Guy, pleasure to have you here.
Good morning.
And these are just some of the things that you guys get at Ohio eWaste. TVs and computer boards and... You know, we are such a disposable society, Guy. We just throw this stuff away because we don't fix it anymore.
Right, and there's a lot of hazardous materials in these TVs. This is a CRT monitor that I brought in this morning, disassembled, and which is basically a small TV set.
So if you put this in a landfill, why is that bad?
There's about 6 pounds of lead in this funnel part of the
6 pounds?
6 pounds of lead. It's a leaded glass, and it's fused with a heavier impact glass in the front. We actually separate those two glasses from each other. We have a system to do that with. It's called a hot wire system. Then we take out the inner stainless steel screen that's in there, and then in the base of that there's a reflective coating of aluminum phosphate, some chromium,
and
some
all
other.
That stuff would end up in a landfill.
That is all hazardous.
Yeah. So it's not just earth-friendly that you can do by going to you, but it's very healthy too.
Right. It's all about the future, and it's about what do we do with CRTs? What do we do with computer boards?
Cell phones? You take refrigerators?
We take everything: lawnmowers,
really?
Cell phones, appliances, stereos, anything with a cord on it, or anything battery operated. If it's got metal or plastic, we take it.
And we have some video of what happens to some of the stuff that when people bring it to you at Ohio eWaste. And what is the reason for? This really looks like a big bad machine. It looks like it's eating it. What's the reason for grinding it all up like that?
These items here are some items that were returned. We do product destruction. And these were returned and they couldn't be repaired, and so they don't want them going out to flea markets or back in the marketplace. So we actually shred these for manufacturers.
So what would happen if they did go to a flea market or something?
You're getting a product back out there that the manufacturer felt was unsafe.
I see. And
also it's putting it back out there in competition with their products.
Now there's also security reasons for doing this as well, which I hadn't thought of at all.
Right. This is a hard drive from a computer. This is one from a laptop. For security reasons, everybody's concerned about security. This is what it looks like after it's ground up. You notice there's no way you could get any information off of there. But the big concern is security, keeping your information, your identity safe. And this is one of the ways that we do that is we shred every hard drive there is. We don't export, we don't sell anything out of our recycling shop that has been brought in. We take it apart, disassemble it. We're the first stage in recycling. We're the gatherer and the disassembler. And then we send it to an aluminum foundry, a steel foundry, a glass furnace.
So that recycling just continues, and it's all about healthy stuff for the environment. How are we going to get people, Guy, to bring their stuff to you? I mean, if you could tell people one reason why they should go to you and not go to the landfill.
Well,
I mean, there's health concerns.
There's health concerns, right? We just did a recycling in Highland County. We got 2 semi-loads of computer, electronics, TVs, monitors. That all would have went to a landfill somewhere.
And think about that.
You can't take it to a scrapyard because they won't take it because it's intermingled.
And it doesn't really biodegrade like food, so there it sits.
And so you can bring it into us. We charge for TVs and monitors because we have to pay to get the hazardous materials that are in there recycled.
That. Well, I want to let people know where you are, but even then you said you just had an event. So you work in surrounding counties and you have events where people can bring things on a specific day, but here in Franklin County they can come see you anytime, am I right?
That's right.
Okay, so this is where they can reach you. There's the phone number. There's also information on our website, anybody that wants to get a hold of you, and that will link to your website so that people in surrounding counties, Guy, can come see you if they wish. Thank you. This is interesting. Appreciate you doing it.
Thank you very much.